we are going to learn how to plot graph on Excel and how to fit a curve on given data. So let's start. Now I'm going to open my file. Here is the Excel data. You can see here time, the data and curve that I want to fit. Just give me some time to highlight so that it will be visible better. Now you can see here time, experiment data and curve data that we have to um, fit, fit on based on data. Now we are going to fit the exponential curve on this data. Here you can see the exponential equation. CS1 exponential minus k into p is equal to 10. So here is the c and k we will uh, calculate it c and k. Okay, just highlighting the cell. Now next just adding two more cells so that we get enough space. Okay, okay. Here is the CS k and here is the equation that we are going to fit in the curve. Now first of all we will fit generate graph based on time and experimental data. Okay, for that what we have to do, just go to insert and click on chart, just click on scatter chart. You will get here and just click on this plot and select data and add. In order to add the data you will click on add. Now series name experimental data, exp data. Okay, so x series value, series x value what will be time, because we want to put x on time on x axis. Okay, the experimental data, so we selected. Okay, for y series what we are going to select, our this data. Okay, so here you can see our data that has been generated. Now based on this data we will generate fit our curve. So for curve what we have to do, we are just first we will create our curve. Okay, so for generating curve value we will put the equation here. So for this first CS, this cell is for CS. Now fixing CS so that we can multiply in all row. Now 1 minus exp. Okay, and minus k this cell, fix this cell into t. T is time. Okay, so we get all the value. Okay, why we are getting 0? Because we have not given any value in this cell. Let's suppose giving 100 and giving some small value, so we will get this based on this data and we will find the curve value. Now we are going to fit this value on this curve. So what we will do, we just have to do some more extra thing for the regression so that we can fit the uh, approximate value. Okay, for that what we have to do, just experimental data minus curve. Okay, so what we have to do is equal to experimental minus curve data. Just drop down it and we will get our value. Next, what we have to do, square this here. This column should be square. Squaring this column easily. You just remember. Now D column. Okay, just let me write experimental data minus curve square. Okay, so just squaring this value. Now in our code row, let applying the formula minus this into square. Okay, so just drop on all the cell and we will get all the value. Now what we have to do? Just sum all this. Okay, summing all the value is equal to sum. Now here is the sum created. Now next, what we have to do? We have to fit this curve in this graph. Okay, for that what we have to do? Just click on the graph and select pattern and add button. So now series name curve. What we are going to fit x will be same time and y our curve value. Okay. So okay and okay. Here is the generated and here is the series. So you can see the difference between our experimental data and curve value. So what we have to do in order to fit the data, just minimize this value and find the exact constant that should make our curve perfect. Okay. So what we do, just click on this cell and go to data and click on solver and just wait. So I'm just looking for the space so that you can see all the thing. So first select this value. It already been selected, and what we have to do, minimize it. Okay. So what value have to by changing variables? What cell we want to change? This cell. Okay. And click on click here. Okay. And solve. Here you can see based on your data, this line has been created. Now just highlight, let me highlight this one so that we can recognize it easily. This is the value. This is the curve plotting. Okay. So like this, you can plot any curve and you will get a better result. The data is randomly chosen, so you can see not perfect, but this is the same way you can generate curve and plot the curve on any given data. Okay, thank you.